Once upon a time in a magical forest there lived a special bird with two heads. One head was named Twinkle, and the other was Sparkle. They were very close, but they had very different personalities. Twinkle was always cheerful and loved to sing, while Sparkle was a bit grumpy and preferred silence. One sunny day, Twinkle found a delicious fruit on a tree. "Look, Sparkle. Let's share this yummy fruit," Twinkle chirped happily. But Sparkle, being grumpy, said, "Why should I share? I want the whole fruit for myself." Twinkle was sad but didn't argue. Sparkle ate the fruit alone, but soon felt a sharp pain in his belly. The fruit was actually not good for birds, and it made Sparkle feel very sick. Twinkle was worried and called for help. The wise old owl came and gave them a magical potion that made Sparkle feel better. "You both share one body," said the owl, "so you must always care for each other." From that day on, Twinkle and Sparkle learned to work together, sharing everything and living happily as the two-headed bird. And whenever they found something new, they always shared it with a smile. Moral: sharing and caring for each other makes life better and happier. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little boy named Timmy. Timmy had a bad habit of leaving his toys all over the place after playing. His room was always messy, and he could never find his favorite toys when he wanted them. One day, Timmy's grandmother came to visit. She noticed the messy room and asked Timmy, "Why don't you put your toys back after playing?" Timmy shrugged, "I always forget, Grandma." His grandmother smiled and said, "Let me tell you a secret, Timmy. If you do something every day at the same time, it becomes a habit. Habits can make your life easier and more fun." Curious, Timmy asked, "How do I start?" Grandma said, "Every day, after you finish playing, take just 5 minutes to put your toys back where they belong. Do this every day, and soon, you won't even have to think about it, it will become a habit." Timmy decided to give it a try. Every day, after playing, he spent a few minutes putting his toys away. At first, it felt like a chore, but after a week, it became easy. Soon, it was something he did without even thinking about it. One day, Timmy's friend Sam came over to play. Sam was amazed to see how tidy Timmy's room was. "Wow, Timmy, your room is so neat. How do you do it?" Timmy smiled and said, "It's the power of habit. I just put my toys away every day, and now it's easy." Curious, Sam was so impressed that he decided to try it too. He started putting his toys away every day, just like Timmy. Before long, both Timmy and Sam had neat rooms and could always find their favorite toys. Moral: good habits make life easier and help us become better at what we do. Start small, and soon, your habits will lead you to success.